Welcome back to Island Life Live. The Building Industry Association of Hawaii, or BIA Hawaii, is the voice of the construction industry in the islands. It ensures competitiveness and growth of the construction industry in Hawaii.
It's also the organization that brings us the BIA Home Building and Remodeling Show. So joining us once again is our friend Roseanne Freitas, CEO of the Building Industry Association of Hawaii. Aloha, Roseanne.
Hello, it's great to be here. I can't believe
back.
It's already that time again.
I know, this is
and
awesome.
Happy New Year. And we hear that you've got something big coming up, so tell us about it.
Well, we're really excited because it's our home show and everybody is used to that. But we try to mix it up and do something a little different. Yeah. So one of the things we have this year is we are doing a collaboration with the House of Mana Up.
I saw that. What's that about?
Oh, we're really excited to get to partner with Meli and the crew over there to really highlight Hawaii's businesses. And of course, many of our cohorts have come from our industry.
Amazing.
So it just made sense to do a nice little partnership with them. So you'll find them there. They'll be there with some of their cohorts and of course with some of their gift bags.
Oh, so you can go shopping.
You can go shopping.
Wow,
yeah.
This is awesome. I like that.
Yeah, and of course our keiki zone. So last year's keiki zone was wonderful. We had a bunch of hammering going on, and all of a sudden everybody kept gravitating to that side, and it was a bunch of parents and their kids making these Lowe's toolboxes.
I love it.
So Lowe's, again, generously donated, and this time we're going to make these vases, these chalkboard vases for the kids. So, of course, you can't just drop your kid off. You actually have to help them hammer. It's a great parent time with their keiki because you don't want to leave them with us and a hammer.
Yeah. I think I asked that question. Well, you just drop them off and they go shopping?
Is this a daycare thing? Or no,
no, it's not. No. So it's not.
Well, as a mom of boys, they would love that. So
yeah.
Absolutely, 100%. And you know, the seminars are amazing too. I was looking at some of the list of some of the seminars that you guys are hosting. Can you share some of that, Roseanne?
So, of course, we have some of our wonderful exhibitors who will be there highlighting. So, of course, our headline sponsor, Atlas, Rodney, that will be there again.
Rodney.
Yes, showcasing and sharing his expertise. But we also have the Better Business Bureau who will be talking about how to hire somebody and what to look for. But Better Business Bureau came in this year actually as the stage sponsor. So they'll be introducing all of the people who actually come up for their seminars.
You know anybody that used to work there? She used to be the boss lady over there too. She went from BBB to BIA. No, and then I saw one that said how to save time and money on your kitchen or bathroom project.
I love that.
Exactly.
Saving money, like what?
So come and talk to the experts because it's really best to get all that information now before you start down that road.
Yeah.
The planning is the key.
Yeah.
And so these are the people who you can talk with. And we have the contractors, we have people who do design, but we also have the suppliers. And what's really cool this time, we're having a container house.
Oh, cool.
So you can come and look at one of those that will be on the show there. But we have countertop people, cabinets,
Love it.
appliances, flooring, so just about everything for your home you can come
so
check.
many people are into DIY. I mean, I know for COVID, I got into all of that.
I saw on your Instagram you're doing all of this stuff.
Any kind.
Yeah, but of course, Tiffany's mom, Kathy,
she's a
Tutti.
contractor. Yes,
Yeah,
Tutti. She's a contractor. She's,
So you've grown up in this industry, and there's a lot to it.
There is.
It's one industry where you have to know so much about so many different things.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We want to come niele, but before the break, we talked about how to save money on admission. You guys always provide this, not just for kupuna, but also for just the general public. How do we do that?
So you can go to biahawaii.org. On our website, there'll be a coupon. You click on it. It's a 5-question survey. Just answer those 5 questions, and then we will send you a $3 off coupon.
Nice.
So that would make admission then $5 in the door.
Wow.
Now, children under 16, accompanied by a parent, are free.
Okay.
And of course, our kupuna, just bring your ID card, show it at the box office, and you'll get the $3 off as well.
great.
All right, there you see all the information on your screen at the Blaisdell Center. Coming up on January 24th to the 26th, the BIA Home Building and Remodeling. Am I missing a big in there? BIA Big Home Building and Remodeling Show, right?
Exactly, you get the idea.
All right, Roseanne Freitas is the CEO, the boss lady over there. Please tell Hinano we said hi as well.
Oh, I will tell Hinano. She'll be so happy to hear from you as well, Tiffany.
Yeah, and all right, we're going to take a quick break and we'll be right back. We're going to holo to Hilo.
I love it.
That's coming up next right here on Island Life Live.